Good morning, dear children. Dear children, here we start your exercise 12.3 of class 4 maths. And in the last video, I told you exercise 12.2. So, dear children, we have 4 questions A, B, C, and D. Now, the first question is convert to minutes. So, here we know how we convert to minute, hour to minute, or second to minute. So, dear children, first question is 4 hours. So 4 hours means 1 hour equals 60 minutes, means a clock when move one round, means जब clock जो एक राउंड पूरा मूव कर जाती है, means 12 से चलना स्टार्ट किया, 12 में once again पहुंच जाती है एक बार फिर से, तो पूरा एक राउंड हो जाता है, 1 राउंड हो जाता है. अब 1 राउंड इक्वल 60 मिनट, ये मिनट हैंड जा रहा है. तो so 1 hour equals 60 minutes, then 4 hours equal 4 multiplied by 60 equal 240 minutes. 6 4 0 0 4 6 are 24. Now one thing more, dear children, hour, minute and second. Look at here, this is unit. When we change here hour to minute and minute to second, then we do the multiply by 60 or divide 60 means hour से जब हम मिनट में चेंज करेंगे तो हम 60 का मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे या मिनट से आवर में चेंज करेंगे तो 60 का डिवाइड करेंगे. जैसे किलोमीटर हेक्टोमीटर में 10 का डिफरेंस था, इसमें 60 का डिफरेंस है. क्यों? बिकॉज 1 आवर इक्वल 60 मिनट, 1 मिनट इक्वल 60 सेकंड. Okay, this is the greater unit, this is smaller unit, this is smaller unit. Okay, so small greater to smaller, then we go to greater to smaller, then we do the multiply, and smaller to greater, then we do the divide. Okay, so dear children, so 1 hour equal 60 minutes and 1 hour equal how many second? 60 multiplied by 60 equal 3600 seconds, means 1 hour equal 3600 seconds. If we change how many 2 hour equal how many seconds? So 1 hour equal 3600 seconds, then 2 hour equal 3600 multiplied by 2 equals 7200, means 36 to the 72 and double 0 equals 7200 seconds. Okay, so now question number second, 2 hours 50 minutes. So 2 hours 50 minutes, here we change here into minute, so this is already in minute 50 minutes, so we change here only 2 hours. So 1 hour equal 60 minutes, then 2 hour equal 2 multiplied by 60 equal 120, and this is already in minutes, so we add plus 50. So 120 plus 50 equal 170 minutes. Okay. Now the question number 4. 3 hours 25 minutes. So 1 hour 60 minutes. 1 hour equal 60 minutes. Then 3 this is already in minute. So we change here only 3 hours. So 3 multiplied by 60 plus 25 equal 180 plus 25 equal 205 minutes. Okay, now the question number first is completed. Now the question number B. Question number B is convert to hours and minutes. So dear children, here question is given in hour, but here question is given in minutes. So we change here into hours. So 60 minutes equal 1 hour. So 120 minutes equal, here we go to minute to hour, means smaller to greater. Then what will we do here? We do divide. So 120 divided by 60 equal 2 hours. Okay. Now third number, 1200 minutes or 1200 minutes. So 60 minutes equal 1 hour. Then 1200 minutes equal 1200 upon 60 equal 20 hour, equal 6 to 1, 60 to 120 and 60 0 0. Okay, equal 20 hour. Now the question number 4. Question number 4, 3300 minutes. So 3300 minutes means 60 minutes equal 1 hour. Then 3,300 minutes equal 3,300 divided by 60 equal 55 आवर्स. जब आप इसको डिवाइड करेंगे ये आपका आंसर 55 आवर्स आ जाएगा. हमने आगे एक वन क्वेश्चन करके दिखाया है. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर सी. क्वेश्चन नंबर सी, कन्वर्ट टू सेकंड. हियर 4 hour equal 1 minute, 4 minute is given here. So 1 minute equal 60 second. So 4 minute equal 4 multiplied by 60 equal 240 seconds. Okay, 5 minute 5 second. So this number, this is already in second. So we change here only 5 minutes to second. So 1 minute equal 60 second. So 5 minute equal 5 multiplied by 60 equal 300 plus 5 equal 305 seconds. So now the question number 5, 10 minutes and 10 minutes and 10 seconds. So 1 minute equals 60 seconds. So 10 minutes equal 10 multiplied by 60 equals 600 plus this 10 equal 610 seconds. Okay. Now the question number D. Question number D is, dear children, convert to minute and second here. So convert to minute and second just like question number B, but in the question number B here we change here minute to hour, and in first question hour to minute. Here this question we change here minute to second, and this question second to minute. Okay, so 420 seconds. So 60 seconds equal 1 minute. Then 420 divided by 60 equal 7 minutes. 6 7 is 42. Now third question is 1240 seconds. So 60 seconds equal 1 minute. So 1240 divided by 60 equal 20 minutes 40 seconds. How? 62 is 120. 62 is 120. Then 62 is 120 and comes down here 4 and 1 0 here. So 60 0 0. So 20 minutes and the remainder is 40. So that means 40 is your second. So 20 minutes 40 seconds. Okay. Now the question number 4. 2435 seconds. So 60 seconds equal 1 minute. So 2435 seconds equal 2435 divided by 60. So 60 4 20 6 4 24 and 1 0. So 240 minus 243 minus 240 equal, remainder is 3 comes down here 5. So 60 0 0 equal 40 minute 35 second, and here we divide here 2435 divided by 60, 6 4 24 and then 3 comes down here 5. Now 60 0 0, so 5 minus 0 equal 0, 5 3 so 5 and 3 minus 0 equal 3, means 40. This one is 40 hour and this one is 40 minute. So 40 minute 35 seconds in 2435 seconds. Okay. Okay dear children, question number exercise 12.3 is completed. Now exercise 12.4 I will tell you in the next video. Okay, thank you, have a nice day.